Good evening. Both major political parties are on notice to up their game, with the Australian Medical Association suggesting neither is promising enough to make a dent in our hospital crisis.
The peak body is withholding its verdict on which party deserves our votes, hoping more significant announcements are to come.
Today's contest of ideas saw Labor pledging a $100 million redevelopment of the RPH Emergency Department.
It's time to bring this hospital up to scratch, bring it into the future.
Simply keeping our hospitals up to scratch is not something that I think should be considered to be revolutionary. Revolutionary or visionary would be building our hospital capacity.
The Liberals keep bashing away at Roger Cook's Achilles heel. 8 years ago, Mr Cook declared ambulance ramping a crisis when ramping hours hit 1,000 hours in a single month. They're currently 5 and 6 times worse. The Liberals say their plan to divert up to 1,000 people a day from emergency departments to clinics like this one will go a long way to unblocking the system.
A reduction of ambulance ramping from day one of up to 20%.
Wishful thinking, says the AMA.
Urgent care could well be part of the solution, but it is not going to solve ambulance ramping.
So which party came out in front today?
I would say neither announcement is particularly earth-shattering.
The AMA says it will withhold judgment on which party has the better health policies until closer to the election. Meanwhile, Basil Zempilas has slammed the Premier over Mr Cook's description of the Liberals as the laziest opposition in history. In a rare side-by-side appearance with the Liberal leader Libby Mettam, Mr Zempilas described her as unstoppable and the Premier as despicable.
It's a low act, and the Premier should know better than that. And frankly, I feel a bit sorry for the Premier. He does not know how to act like a statesman.
Jeff Parry, 7 News.